Picture this, you're working on your MacBook when suddenly the screen goes black and it won't turn back on. That heart-sinking feeling hits you as you realize you should have made a backup, and now you think you've lost all your work files and photos. Hey, it's Mike and I'm here at Payam Data Recovery, getting a behind-the-scenes look at how these experts do their work. Today, I'm watching a senior data recovery engineer work on a 2023 MacBook Pro that had completely died. No power, no response. I watched as he removed the motherboard and connected it to a DC power supply. Within moments, he discovered a short circuit on the main power rail. But as he explained, finding a short on a motherboard is like finding a needle in a haystack. This is where you could really see his expertise. He brought out what he called his secret weapon, an infrared thermal camera. What I saw next was fascinating. He carefully injected 1 volt into the main power rail instead of the normal 12 volts. This technique is called voltage injection, and only experienced technicians know how to use it safely. As he monitored through the thermal camera, I watched the screen light up with heat signatures. There it was, one component glowing brighter than the rest. The speaker amplifier IC had failed, creating the short circuit that had killed the laptop. Within minutes, he removed the faulty chip and replaced it. The MacBook worked perfectly, running like new. What could have been an expensive replacement became a precise repair, saving money and precious data. The MacBook was then passed to the team to clone and back up all the files to an external USB drive for the owner. Thanks for watching.